6 years ago, we have done a smart beard transplant and it was successful. And today, we have a patient who requested for a similar design with the SMART FUE technique.
Actually, I always wanted to have a full beard during I was young, but after one day I browsed and then I get the Glojas case, the micro case, and then I found out, oh damn, that's definitely the thing that I want. So I call for appointments, the consultant, and then now here I am.
So we just completed the beard design. This is the sideburn and this is the angle mandible. This is the jawline. The width of the sideburn is 2 cm. So the upper margin, lower margin, the distance is 2.5 cm. He has a right mustache, the left mustache, and is happy with it. But this part was not connected. This is a fiber. We're going to fill up this area and we're going to increase the density. Here is the goatee on the left side. Here is a goatee on the right side, and we're going to fill up here both, and this is the Y shape also we're going to fill up, and all these will be connected to the beard.